Hey gamers, welcome back to Gaming Cast. If you're tired of spending money on games or PS Plus, but still want to enjoy awesome PS4 games, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the easiest ways to play PS4 games for free in 2025. No tricks, no hacks, just legit tips. Let's jump in. The easiest way to play for free is by downloading free-to-play games. These are completely free, and most don't even need PS Plus to play online. Fortnite, a true battle royale classic. It's free, super fun, and regularly updated with cool events and skins. PUBG, Battlegrounds. The OG battle royale game is now free to play. Dive into intense matches, outsmart your enemies, and claim victory, all for free. Apex Legends. For fast-paced action and tactical gameplay, Apex Legends is a must. Plus, you can play it online without PS Plus. Rocket League. This one's a mix of soccer and high-speed cars, and it's endlessly fun. Whether you're a casual player or competitive, Rocket League has you covered. Call of Duty, Warzone, and of course Warzone. Experience massive battles and COD-style action without spending a dime. Now here's a pro tip. Watch out for free game trials. Many big games like FIFA and Call of Duty offer time-limited trials, where you can play the full game for free for a few days. Another great feature is Share Play. If your friend owns a game, they can share it with you online, even if you don't have the game or PS Plus. It's a super cool way to try out new games without spending anything. See you in the next video. Happy gaming!